guys!
Today we are going to be doing the, well, we just went shopping, so I'm going to be showing you what we bought and unboxing it, so here we go.
I definitely didn't just spill my drink.
You first.
Me first? Okay. Okay, why is the box open? Okay, firstly, it came in this box. I don't know what it says. It's glasses, what I drink. She's going to do one of them first while I connect mine together, because it is hard to connect.
I need to steal this, so...
Yes.
No, I need to steal this.
Do your
No.
puppy first.
Three. Got some
It came out of the packages. That means they only gave us 50p for it. You can't see us,
that
can
and
you?
open it.
Hi. Hi.
And then it just comes with instructions for no reason.
I don't know why.
Yes, yeah. And then it's just clear.
Because everybody knows how to play with pie.
Yeah, in that one way. So, yeah.
I am nearly done.
So that's that.
That means
Just.
there was Play-Doh in it.
I wonder why. I'm not sure. Wait.
They did say they just washed it. That's why it's a bit wet, guys.
That's the instructions for the putty for no reason.
Don't know why.
So, yeah.
Really annoying.
Hurry up, it's your bit next.
Sorry. She's so bossy. You talk to them for a minute. Hi, hello. Okay, fine. How is your day?
Yeah.
Please comment
So that
down.
was the first thing.
Please comment down below. How was your day?
And put in the comments.
And please, I beg you, like
And subscribe. And put in the comments.
if you liked and
I love
subscribe.
Panda.
Yeah. Okay, I did it. Look.
Just tested it out.
Okay, it goes like this. You put it on your face, and you know these bits, it goes behind your ear. This bit, the small bit, goes in your mouth. I got coke. You put it in.
Wait. Cool.
You put it in the coke.
And then it goes into the glasses and into your mouth. Okay, so next thing, move out the way, Claw, you annoying
That's
cat.
the only thing I got today. The only thing I could find.
Next is Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. You
Didn't come in a
show
packet either. That's
Yeah, that means we got it 50 price.
instructions. Let's open it. Oh my god. Just
Look at that. Look at it. So fascinating.
so that's the blue one, and then we've got I can't get this one out. There's the pink one. So they're Play-Dohs, and then just